Okay, Jeep Wrangler 3.6 liter oil change. First step, take off your oil cap. You need a 1/2 inch socket for the drain plug. I use a 1/2 inch ratchet. That's what I use, 1/2 inch drive, and an extension, a 12 inch or less, a 15/16 socket for the oil filter cap thing. Nice piece of cardboard to lay down on. Let's see what I do with that socket. Hopefully that'll be a good view for you. Oh yeah, very nice, very cool. Oh. Okay, as your oil's draining out of your engine down below, I like to come up, take off the oil filter cap. Probably don't need something this ridiculously long, but it works for me. That's what I like doing. I probably use a 6 inch, not a 12 inch. Just get that till it's loose and running out by hand. There you go. Oil filter out. Oop, dripping. Okay, so now you got your old oil filter out. What I do is got your new replacement here, just Walmart special. I'll leave it in the box. You just take both parts of this, you wiggle them apart. Like that. And then the new one comes with a new O-ring. So yeah, I just take a little screwdriver in like this. Pry it off. The new one. Here, we'll do a little comparison. New and old. What you can do, you could probably use old oil, but I prefer to open up my new oil. Oh. Jesus. Stick your finger down in there, get it a little moist with oil, then lube up the new O-ring. Just get a nice little layer of oil on it, and you put it back on. get it back in that groove. Like so. And you can take your new one, you put it in there on that ring until you hear a click, and the new oil filter is ready to go. Okay, you got your new oil filter, got your new O-ring on there. Just insert her back down in the hole. Get her started with your hand. Put your socket back on there. Put your ratchet back on there. Don't need to go ridiculously tight with it. And if you use a big ratchet like this one, I usually like to hold it up top so you don't like put a lot of ass behind it. And then once I get it snug, let's see. Once I get it snug, then I just give her one little color a day. Okay, hopefully you can see. I like to take my oil plug, drain plug, wipe it off, and then I wipe off the orifice. Make sure it's nice and clean. Throw that back on there. Get your 1/2-inch socket. You don't need to go crazy tight with it. Just put enough on there so you know it's tight. Oh. And then now we got to go back up top. Got to get my funnel. Pour new oil in it. Nice. Funnels. I find one like this works the best because I got a smaller one here. It's okay, but it's not as big as this red one. And then I got one like this. It doesn't go deep enough in there for me. So I'm using this nice one here. Quick fill funnel. Okay. And then I do 5W20. Let's see, 5W20. I'm using Castrol Edge this time. I was doing like Castrol GTX Magnatech or something. Just changing it up. And take 6 quarts. Go ahead and put quart number 1 in. Here we go with 5 more quarts. Almost there. Almost there. And I still got a little bit left in there. Still got a little left in my jug. Don't want to overfill it. So I'll go ahead and check the oil level. That's in there a few seconds. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice and full. Hopefully you can see that. So you got all your 6 quarts in there. Take your funnel out. Put your cap back on. Make sure your dipstick's in. And you can take the beauty cover. Line up those clips there. Line up those clips there. Back in the back. Let's see. There we go. I'd recommend doing that. Push it back in there. And it's off. All you gotta do to take this off is just pull up and then pulls out the clips back there at the back. Shut the door. That off. Okay. I like to do it. I like to reset my mileage here, so that way I can just look at there and know, hey, I got, 4,000 miles on my oil change or whatever. And then let's see, get this back to the odometer. But it doesn't have no like digital, I have 50% engine oil life. So what you do is with the key into this mode, you pump the gas pedal, I think about like 3 times within, 5 seconds. So I'll try to do a live action right now. And then you start it up. Usually something resets, but maybe not. I don't know. Turn to accessory. I don't know. Well, I can't get this to work, so and then I have this done, so I'll know there when it's at, I like to change mine 3,000 miles. Probably don't need to, oil's better these days and can go longer, but that's just what I like to do. So, button things up. I put a little sticker up here so my sister knows, hey, whenever I'm at, let's see, we're at 38, 39, whenever I'm around like 42,000 miles, hey, should get an oil change. I'll put a little sticker there I got from AutoZone, and yeah, call it a day. But usually, fancier Jeeps, you'll have your menu status here, and you'll say engine oil life, 50%. You just go in there and you can hit like reset or something on the fancier models, but that usually works, but I can't get it going today, and I'm not gonna keep starting it and turning it off again just so I get a warning when I'm at like 10,000 miles on one oil change. So there it is. After you let it run for a few minutes, I just like to come back out and check it again. She's good. Okay, so a little recap of the tools you need. Oh! Okay, I use a 1/2 inch ratchet, and I need a 1/2 inch socket for the drain plug. And then for the oil filter cap, you'll need a little extension or 12 inch, and then you use a 15/16 socket. And you'll need 6 quarts of oil, 5W20. a new oil filter. The Fram model number is, let's see, 11665, or you can use a Mopar one. And then you'll need like some rags to keep your hands clean, you know, rags, paper towels, and then a little screwdriver for the O-ring on the cap for the new one, the new oil filter. And you'll need a drain pan and a funnel. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.